Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bank of America with the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have Bank of America and you wanted to use to fund the OnePay app. How do you actually go ahead and connect both financial institutions together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the OnePay app. Next, click on the upper right-hand corner where it says your profile icon name. Then go ahead and click on Account, then click on Linked Accounts, then click on Linked Bank Account. And what's going to happen is that it's going to redirect you to Plaid. So Plaid is how OnePay connects financial institutions together, and it's used to keep your data safe. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest, then go ahead and find Bank of America, and then it's going to prompt you to actually log into Bank of America so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the OnePay app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bank of America to OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.